Have you ever wondered how much people get paid for these YouTube videos? I do all the time, especially for the ones that get millions of views. So today we're going to be taking a look at a video called How Much YouTube Paid Me for My Tiny House video from a guy named George Dunnett. He's got 155,000 subscribers. This video has 53,000 likes on it compared to only 1,000 dislikes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and give him a like on this video. If you guys can please like my video as well, it really helps me out and I appreciate it. It costs you nothing. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Let's jump into this.
What's up everyone, hope you're having a good day. My name's George or Patchy, and a few weeks ago my tiny house video, which I'm sure you've probably all seen.
I haven't seen it, which is okay, but I'm not really looking in that niche. But he says, I bought an abandoned tiny house, 11 million views on this. But here's the thing. It might not have made as much money as you think it has, just because it's not in a crazy niche like make money online or finance that pays a lot of money per 1,000 views. Put in the comments how much you think that this video has made, and I'm really curious to see who's going to be right about this. Don't cheat. Anyone can cheat, but don't cheat. Just go ahead and put it in the comments there.
Hit the milestone of 10 million views. I think it's actually got 11 million views now, which is just crazy to me. And on top of that, the follow-up video where I went over how much everything cost me to buy the house and renovate it, that video also hit a milestone of 1 million views.
People are really nosy. I used to do income reports for my business. I think I'm going to start doing them again in the future. For those of you that missed them, don't worry, I'm thinking about bringing that back. People really love to see the inner workings and the costs and everything. I like it too. I like seeing that stuff.
Let's jump into the numbers and see how much YouTube paid me for my tiny house videos. So I'll go through this month by month just because I think it's the most interesting way to do it. In January, when I first uploaded it, I uploaded it on January 27th. I got 52 views and I got 26 cents for that. So my best day was here where I got 34 views and that translated to 18 cents.
I'm surprised it didn't get more traction in the beginning, that he only got the 52 views in that month, but obviously this is going to blow up.
Next up we have February, and for February I got 189 views and that translated to 75 cents, and my best day was here where I got 41 views and that gained me a whopping 15 cents. So next up was March, which was my biggest month. Things went crazy. It obviously hit everyone's homepage and that's where I got all of the views. So for
$23,000 from one video. That's amazing.
For March, I got 6.3 million views and that converted to $23,223.
It's a lot of money, and that's not just the money that came in. Look, he got 37,000 subscribers from that. Like that's gonna just keep on, have a domino effect there. He's gonna make more and more and more money.
And 98 cents. And my best day was here on March 26th, where I got just under 1.2 million views in a single day, and that got me
$3,000 in a day. That's great.
$159.22, which is more than I used to make in a month as a video editor, which is crazy. And it was kind of that way for all of that week. I was making between like 2,500 and 3,000 a day.
It must have been sad when it started going down again. He must have been like really excited. Oh, am I gonna start making this like every day? But then it started going down. But still, he's making like hundreds of dollars a day from this. That's great.
Which is just crazy to me. It's mind-boggling. So that was March. That was the best month. And then next we had April. Still a very good month. I got 1.8 million views.
Still made another 12,000 from that, and 12,000 subscribers.
And that gained me $11,922.23. And my best day was here where I got 155,000 views, and that got me $829.28. Next up we had May, and for May I had slightly less views.
He's still making good money.
So I got 1.2 million. And that got me $7,414. And my best day was here. These days were pretty much the same, about 95,000 views, and that got me $477.23. Next was June.
It's just incredible. I just find it incredible that you can put up one video and that video can just work for you over and over and over again. That's passive income. Like, I know a lot of people are trying to find a get rich quick like button or whatever. This is the button in a way. Like if you can create good content and put it out there, you just need one good video to make you a lot of money.
And things went a bit better for June. I got 1.6 million views, which was 400,000 more, and that got me just under $8,000. My best day here was 150,000 views, just under it, and again that gave me $615.43. And then we have July, which is the month that's just ended.
Ooh, okay, so that one way down, but still it's $1,800. That's still good. That's more than my channel makes.
And that was my lowest month so far ever since it took off, and I got just under 400,000 views, and that got me $1,886.26. And my best day was here, where I got 18,429 views, and that got me $108. So overall, if I change this to the lifetime stats, the video got 11.3 million views, and that converted to
52,000. I bet he didn't think he was going to make that kind of money from this.
$100.69, which is just ludicrous. I can't believe that I got that much off a single video. And as I said, the follow-up video did well as well. It got 1.1 million views, and that gained me $4,577.
It's almost like, I wonder if he was disappointed with the follow-up video. He maybe thought he was going to make more from it. And I thought he would make more from it as well, just because it's kind of like in the make money online, like, or make money niche there. But still, he made $4,000 from it. That's great.
And 76 cents. So together across these two videos, I made about $57,000. And because I'm from Scotland, we use pounds here. So that 57,000 converts to 46,817.26 pence. So for all my UK viewers, that's the exchange rate on that income, which is crazy. It is nice because obviously it's a lot of money, which is nice. But on top of that, the house cost a lot more than I thought it would. The renovation cost a lot more than I thought it would. So there was a lot of unexpected costs when actually renovating the house. So to have a lot of these unexpected kind of profits come back was really nice and unexpected and obviously welcome.
So what do you guys think of that? I mean, that's pretty cool how much money you made. I'm really curious about the comments that you guys made and how much you were guessing how much this video was going to make in the comments there. And like, let me know if you like videos like this as well, if you want me to make more of them where we're looking at how much money different YouTube videos are making or channels are making. If that's something that you guys are interested in, I want to make stuff that you guys like here. And don't forget to like this video. It lets me know that you like this content, and hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.